Hey, good Monday evening to you. It is 6:07 p.m. We do have some thunderstorms popping around the region, right on track, right on time, exactly where we thought. So it's just one of those days where everybody is seeing a little bit different weather this evening. Some of you are going to continue to see thunderstorms and for the next couple of hours, I think, and some of you are just going to have a pleasant, if not a little bit breezy evening. So just thought I would go over what is going on in the region just in case you have travel plans or you hear about thunderstorms. Here they are right now. It's been kind of off and on between special weather statements and severe thunderstorm warnings, but we're out here west of Eskridge, Kansas for this severe thunderstorm that has been warned for, what do we have? It was issued 7 minutes ago for up to 3/4 inch hail. This is off northeast is the direction that this is traveling, but this is just south of Hessdale now, and I just see County Highways 99 and Kansas State Highway 4 under impact right now for this severe thunderstorm. And then if I move just a little bit more to the west, a little bit to the south, there is a special weather statement over here. Looks like Hope, Kansas just got finished up with this, and this is weakened a little bit now just to the west of Harrington out here along 4 Highway and 218 Highway running north and south. So those are our active areas at the moment, but let me kind of play this overall regionally. You can see this is northeast for motion. And I think that's how things are going to be for the next few hours. So let's talk about why this is and what comes next. We have that frontal boundary pushing in from the northwest. That's going to stall out over the next couple hours. And then it's actually going to turn around. Let me show you. And it's going to ever so slightly push back off to the north and the northwest headed into tomorrow. So what this is going to give us, let's go over to model data here. There you go. Yeah, what this is going to give us is more of the same out there in central Kansas headed toward northern and northeast Kansas for the evening. Just kind of watch this play along with me. This is now going over into early morning hours. These storms are going to drop out. They're picking up maximum heating instability right now. But as we go through into the evening, these are just going to be small thunderstorms. They are going to be fairly efficient rainmakers, though. So if you are in the path of this, I mean, fortunately, things have dried out now. I don't think we're going to see, any flood advisories out of these, but you will get some substantial rainfall. And then as we move over into tomorrow, because of that boundary just hanging out, look what continues to happen. I'm just going to play this along, north and south of I-70, but the bulk of this does stay up north of I-70. But we just can't rule out in this environment, it's not going to take much at all for there to be a little thunderstorm just popping through like what we have seen, but probably not as much as we have seen for this evening anyway, going into overnight hours. Looking at tomorrow, I actually want to back up and show you what's going on with the heat situation. So I don't think that we're going to see a continuation of these counties shaded in red, still under a heat advisory for just the next hour until 7 p.m. I think we'll finally be done with that. It's still going to be plenty hot, though. Tomorrow, we do pick up just a little bit of cloud cover. There we go. Cloud cover for tomorrow. That's something that we have not seen in a few days. And so, by the afternoon, look at that 70% cloud cover. It's going to make a substantial difference. Here's actual temperatures for tomorrow, Tuesday afternoon. I see 89 in Kansas City, and I see 90 for the rest of East Central Kansas and West Central Missouri. Still got to factor in that heat index, though, and I think that's going to make us see some 97 to 99 degree temps tomorrow afternoon still. Believe it or not, it's just ever so slightly cooler than what we had today. So temps are going to hang out there for a little while like we've been talking about. But let me go back out here to radar, just kind of show you one more time what is going on this evening. Again, these storms, this storm motion over here in Kansas is going off to the north and the northeast. So I do expect some fairly robust thunderstorms to continue before these drop off around sunset. Just a couple of areas to pay attention to tonight. South of Alma has a severe thunderstorm headed right for the radar there, actually, right for the KTWX radar site. Going to go right over the cone of silence, looks like to me. And it's just going to be spotty stuff out and about this evening. So that's what we have to expect. Out further west, no exception, a huge area of special weather statement going on out there. And these are all going to be warned for winds and some hail, which we have seen hail out of all these cells as well. So just a few more hours left to go through on that. So I will keep an eye on it. It should get less and less as we inch toward sunset, and just some spotty stuff cropping up tomorrow and a few degrees cooler. So that is what I know. I will keep you posted. In the meantime, it's Monday evening. Have a good one. Talk to you later.